All right, so what we're about to do is put this beautiful little unicorn where?
In the microwave.
Let's just check this out, shall we? It's for a reason, by the way. What should we put it on? 60 seconds? We'll put it on 1 minute.
Okay.
Yeah.
So happy it's putting in. Wait, what? It didn't even burn yet.
What's it doing?
Well, it's mostly getting heat up. I think it's cracking.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Say hi, Scout.
Hi.
Tell everybody what you're wearing.
A nightgown.
A nightgown?
It's shirt or nightgown.
Looks like PJs to me.
Yeah, it's soft.
Yeah? What is it?
It's mostly a suit.
Oh, yeah? What is it, though? What are the ears?
They're mostly bear ears.
Oh, so you're like a little bear?
Yeah.
Did you have a good Christmas?
Yes.
What's your favorite present you got for Christmas?
My LOL doll.
Ooh,
It's ready.
Let's check it out. And this, my friends, I highly recommend for
Is it
any
a-
child. It's warm. And you could also put it in the freezer.
Hey, what?
And it gives off natural scents of
it's-
lavender.
Smells delicious. Happily it didn't burn.